Morning, everyone. My name's Duncan Gillard. I'm a psychologist working out of Bristol, UK, mostly with children, families and school staff. I'm just dropping a quick video on behalf of myself and my dear friend and colleague, Freddie Jackson Brown, who is part of our community of contextual behavioural science practitioners here in the Bristol area. We're really excited to be doing a workshop on using RFT in educational settings like schools and colleges and things like that at the upcoming ACBS conference. It's a really great opportunity for us to meet some like-minded people and share some practices that hopefully will be both interesting and useful. We've been using ACT and kind of allied models, DNAV and pro-social for many years in educational settings, and so it's something that we feel very, very passionately about, but we're also kind of proper geeks and have been interested in RFT and trying to actively kind of fine tune and make more precise our practice using explicit kind of RFT processes for I don't know, probably about 15 years or so now. So this is just a great opportunity for us to share some of those practices, and hopefully people who come along will learn lots about how to use RFT technologies in education, but I expect and hope that we'll learn with you too. So we really hope that you're going to come along, and we look forward to the journey and look forward to meeting you. See you there.